Is it googly eye time?
Yeah, giggly eye time. Should we go north this time? Or should we go... How about we go west?
So we
West side.
It's good, guys.
Diamond sword, watch out.
Let's go west. You'll get lost. Just keep going west.
Apparently we're heading
watch out for
towards
the
Dulwich.
yeah. Avoid the twigs.
taint.
if you can. It's pretty evil, this one. Makes everything foggy.
Oh, okay, yeah. I know what you
You
mean.
see it?
Yeah. Sometimes it's loads of mobs on them. Remember when Bod exploded because of what? Good times.
Wasn't that after I'd exploded because of the bed as well?
Yeah.
Oh, what a night.
That's funny.
Those memories.
The hell? Ooh, pretty.
Gadden?
We're here. He's catching up. Lol. Oh, are you catching up?
Oop, my life.
Whoa, whoa.
Fuck.
I want it. It's mine, it's mine, it's mine.
Can have him.
What's that?
He's fucking huge.
Is there a spawner or something here? What's making...
Oh,
is
shit.
it Taint or is it what?
I'm
No,
pretty
it's a
sure.
theory biome that we stood on, but there's got to be something near. Because where are you coming from?
Just smack me in the
Work it out,
face.
guys. Work it out.
It's underneath that block there, right? Why are they huge? Rest in peace, Lolax.
Sorry, I'm coming back. I pressed the wrong button.
Skills. Is that under here?
No,
I'm pretty sure they just spawn on this crap.
Shit.
Alright guys,
Looks
got some
friendly to me.
blueberries. Blueberries hype.
Where are they coming from?
I'm pretty sure they just spawn around there. Come on, scrubs. Let's leave this place.
There you go. I've lit up.
Fuck,
Carry
let's
on.
go.
Whoa.
Okay, mini one. Let's go. We'll show you again, guys.
West.
This zombies are huge.
Spider tree.
Oh, god damn it.
Oh god, I hate spiders.
Oh, they freak me out.
You're waking up.
Oh, I broke it. Spider's clear.
Lol.
I just
Still
lazy.
hit them.
Look at this random crap. Mana steel. All this stuff I have
Don't
no
fill
idea
in
what it
dirt.
does. I don't want it.
I ain't got any dirt on me.
I've got 3 dirt.
But we're surrounded by dirt. How can you not have any dirt?
Oh.
2 rare.
I meant like, fight. What? Wait.
There's some dirt. Give you dirt.
I mean, we can leave it like that so you can know the chest is there in case you want it in the future.
But isn't it empty?
No, no one took
No, I'll
anything.
just take it now. Okay, done. Go, go, go.
Done. Go west.
Bod's got the chocolate seeds, is it? Or is it like
Oh, by the way, maybe this mushroom.
cocoa? Huh?
Come stand on this mushroom. It's fun.
I'm so gonna die, but okay.
Just stand for a while.
It's so
I love it.
Oh, it's like Yoshi's Island. I love it.
Powering onward.
Amazing. So much more fun when you like this.
Oh. Boat time.
Boat time.
There we go. What do we need?
I can't. Some... Amazing.
We've lost Bod.
Sorry, I
Lost
was on the
spot.
mushroom.
It's the best thing ever.
Oh, it's
How many
across the
pieces do
ocean,
we need?
guys.
I'll make them.
I got 4.
Okay, well.
You can have 2 for you, Tosh. I've got 2.
I've got 2.
I'll wait on my boat.
I'm ready.
my boat. Ready for
Oh, there goes boat number 1. Oh, there we go.
Waiting for Bob.
How do you make a boat?
Of course.
Oh no,
wait,
it just rams
okay.
each other.
Come on.
See you later.
What?
It's
My
like a
guys. Are
Go to the
you
crafting,
okay?
there's a crafting table up there.
I need some wood. Shit.
There's a tree, go bush it.
Scrub.
I'm doing that. Don't worry. Hang on. Don't go too far. Please.
Oh, it's gonna be a new area, since we lag as hell.
It's adventure time.
Whoop.
We're like
Come
the
on,
Spanish
boss.
Armada.
We are.
Boat. There we go.
Let's go, guys.
The race is
Bod's
on.
leading the way, apparently.
Fuck this shit. I'm off.
See you later, Tosh.
Wait, Twitch, I eat stuff.
How do I get back in?
Did you get out? Oh wait,
Right
hold
click,
up.
shift to get out. Right click.
There
to
we
get
go.
in.
Okay. Oh, what?
Oh, what is like the shortest?
The ocean
ever?
ended.
Oh my god.
Here we go, guys. The real boat adventure starts.
Oh no.
Oh shit. Okay.
Only one boat left.
Me too. I'm going with it. Oh shit! I pushed it. Oh.
My boy,
There we
you
go,
take
I'm in
leather
the
when I
boat.
don't need it.
I can't even place it, the fuck?
Where are you guys at?
Don't
I
know.
see.
They're over here.
A shitload of leather.
You just like zoom past me.
I'm a boat expert.
What's that?
Is that like Jesus over there?
Yeah.
You Jesus, what?
It's like the statue.
Oh.
That is amazing. Is it like a thing?
Players.
Is there anything underneath it? It's pretty amazing though.
Today. Oh shit! I need a fucking boat again. Arse.
Do you need some wood, Bob?
I don't think so.
Oh, I need build as well. JK, I'm not bot.
Excuse me.
That's funny.
Such trolling.
I'm not sure if that hasn't loaded or if there's like a huge. Oh, yeah, it's a huge like cliff thing. It's quite cool.
See you later, Tosh.
So hard to control these boats.
I know, it's so much fun.
Okay, to the ocean. Watch out for the lily pads or whatever that crap is.
Rock on a boat and adventure.
Look at
Here
this.
comes blood.
Don't crash, guys.
I'll do another short over. Oh no, it's still going.
Here's a little random. Don't crash, Yalan.
Oh no, I crashed.
Yeah,
Oh,
I didn't
the
know.
silent just
Oh,
right
God.
in front of me.
Oh, right, I wonder where you were going. You okay,
So
Yalan?
just loads right in my face.
Oh!
Ah,
oh.
what? What?
What the hell?
The fuck just happened there?
I don't know.
The scrubs.
They've just like...
I
Oh
was
my God.
like
Do you
way out of
guys
the
need
ocean
more
then I
boat?
suddenly. Yeah, I think so, please.
Build another boat, please, guys.
I need wood.
Oh, pod.
Oh,
Here's a
you know,
here's a boat. Don't lose it.
thanks. I might just go cut down a tree quickly as well. Just in case.
Adventure of time begins again.
Let's go.
Adventure time. No crashing. It's not bumper boats, for fuck's sake. What is with that hat? Oh my god, you fucking... Grr.
The distraction.
Where's Liz going? The wrong way.
No, because he pushed me.
I
Wait,
crashed into
oh,
another item.
yeah, me too, just appeared the same one.
It's like, what?
It just,
Is this
you
new?
just completely appear. Amazing.
Right, bud.
Yep, all good, I think.
Good.
Thanks.
Not losing you.
Damn slow world loading.
Didn't expect to use all my wood on just boats. Okay, I'm coming, guys.
Boating into oblivion.
Wow, we're really going deep blue now.
I think, are we about, we look like we're about to go on a bit of map that I've already loaded before. We're going to your house, things. Where's your house?
Are we?
No, where that's
I'm
Sam.
pretty sure it's completely opposite direction.
Oh wait, no, never mind. My map just deloaded, it's cool.
Change direction.
But finds a good over here.
It's like boats are converging on me to attack, so run!
Just oil.
What's that?
What the fuck is this?
Oh, now we are heading towards ours now, if we go further right.
Oh god, we're gonna crash.
What is this?
Don't crash, guys. That's just oil, you source of fuel. Bod bliss. Bod bliss.
Collision avoided.
It's so hard to control though, you go right, it just
Fuck
keeps going
off,
straight.
fuck off.
Oh my god, these scrub dubs.
Right, yeah, then
So
lead the
this
way.
is oil, I think.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh. Where's it going? West.
Please, get away from me.
This is ridiculous.
The controls are perfect.
Yep,
Oh, whoops, I just
Sweet.
randomly crashed into Twish.
perfect note, brilliant.
Net code.
That Nick Cage.
That's it, good.
Lol.
Where are we, guys?
Did we lose Yaden?
No,
Oh no, he's further ahead. Can't wait until they hit the next island.
Lol. There's nothing out here.
Oh god.
Yeah, it's pretty fun.
Oh, Lilybird. Whoa. Swerve to avoid.
It's gotta be something over here. Didn't they make
Oh.
these spines smaller? Oh, here we go.
Finding ship now.
Oh, here we go.
Coming into Crash Land.
Is that just one island or?
We have a wreck.
There.
Hmm.
Where's Bob?
Oh shit.
Okay.
Did you mean to get out? What? Where did you just go, Hings?
I didn't know I was there and then I
Where-
went miles
where's
back.
Bob?
Bod!
Oh,
Oh, can't win them all.
I can't see Yadin.
Why were you following me? What?
What are you... Oh shit, I
Oh,
crashed.
really?
Fuck.
I see him in the distance. This way.
The man floating on the water.
Come in, guys, hang on. Are you on this island, yeah? Oh, fucking
Yeah.
boat. Liz.
Bob's like drifting in his boat. Need for Speed Boat Edition.
Wow, this
Okay,
boat's
oh.
Oh yeah, he just got out your boat. The boat's like,
The boat's gonna win it straight.
What are you doing?
I'm coming. Where'd you guys
What
go?
is Skystone?
yeah, I just need an obsidian diamond thingy.
A lot of lava.
Guys?
What's with the super blue water?
We've lost you again, Bob. Jesus.
Oh god, come
Like a lost child.
You just ran off. Where have you gone? Which direction did you go?
on. Look at the
I was
lava.
next to
You go
Twish a
west.
minute ago.
Oh.
West, okay.
more water.
Oh, okay. Why am I flying over? This is much bigger than I thought it was.
Oh, is it boat
It's boat time. I haven't even got a boat. Sticks. I got a crafting table. Gonna put it in this really useful spot.
Oh, GG.
Okay.
Perfect.
Stop chucking crappy flags and flowers and shit at me.
Shit, no, I need the wood. Ah!
Chucking everything at me.
Oh, well, never mind.
You need the wood or?
No, it's alright. Just get back to me later. Wait, I made 2 boats and I got 1. What the fuck?
Done. You're risking it. Where's Bod? Has he got his boat? He's usually the slowest.
Please no bush. If we just go straight, we'll be fine.
What's the worst thing ever? Like, that's not even loaded for me. Fuck it, it's going anyway. What could possibly go wrong? Oh, I can just start sinking in the world. Oh, and slowly start rising again.
Guys, where did you go?
What the hell is that? Oh, it's
What?
a sky stone again.
Guys, you left Bob behind.
Oh, we know, it was intentional.
Oh, fuck you guys. You gone west, yeah?
Ooh, what's
Where?
that?
Looks pretty cool though. Like sky stone in the middle of the ocean.
Are you on the other side? Oh.
Oh, we're on the left.
I went round the other fucking side.
Oh.
Most likely gonna need more wood at this point.
Okay, I need my boat. Where's my boat?
Oh, there's like a shit ton that's good here.
I just, yeah. Is one of them have Yes.
Did anyone
Oh
see
my
the sky stone?
You guys ready to boat? Yeah, I just boated straight into it.
Oh, that's cat.
Guys, you were the other side, weren't you?
Yeah, I can see Bod, I can see Hings.
Loads of hats on these squids.
You should probably get some obsidian as well for like the nether. Might be easier to get back.
A mine beneath this island.
Oh, there's a mine? Is it a good mine?
I don't know, I can only see bits of it because the map hasn't loaded.
What does it look like?
Like tunnels and lava.
Track?
Does it look like a cave or does it look like it's got naturally built stuff?
Maybe it's a cave.
Okay, right, guys.
Should we make a bed then?
Yeah, we'll wait for Twiz. Who's got lost? What? Oh wait, no. Last time. It was Bod last time.
I saw Trish a while ago. Did she just keep going through her way?
I don't know. You just
I
got...
don't know. I don't know how to get the fuck in my boat.
When you got
Like,
the...
there's water in it. I'm fucking screwed.
Where you sleeping at,
I'm
Ian?
not really sure.
It's alright, don't worry, Twiz. We're just having a nap.
This is a dungeon run here. I may as well do a dungeon run. Maybe, I don't know.
Yeah.
What? My boat just randomly disappeared.
That's all boats do. They're
And
great.
now I don't know where I am. Oh.
Remember when I like got disconnected and reconnected and my boat was like a bedrock? I broke one brick and then I was back on the top of the ocean. I was like,
I wish you could have recorded that. So weird. Please, I need to sleep.
so funny, it's just like a boat in a cave. It's like, what?
So weird.
I'm gonna head back to the little island thing. Are you guys there?
Right near the meteor. The one with the water around it.
What the fuck is that?
The island is like, you know, surrounded by water. Just go the other end of it.
Okay, yeah, well, you guys went to the left of it and I went to the right of it, so...
Mhm.
Oh, I see a bed. In the distance.
Can anyone see the aura node?
Oh, I
What?
see.
Yeah. There's a few of those around.
Oh, I see Bod. I may need to charge my jetpack.
Yeah, then please, I need to sleep, otherwise I'm screwed.
Ah, I'm having a nap. Sunbathing. No. The dog. Get out of my bed.
Now it's completely reset.
Oh.
Sorry, lots.
I need to get my hot bar.
Keep back bottom bed.
Get in, Dolan.
Oh, it's Swish. My god, she's arrived.
Okay, let's
Push me
dig.
again.
So do you know whereabouts the dungeon was, Bod?
No, it was just sort of down here, I think. Go quickly.
Make a cave, guys. Let's go in. Going underground.
Guys, where are you going?
Underground.
Oh, great. Don't... I'm going to get the chest in here.
That's a good idea.
So don't lose me. Right, where do you guys go? Alright, so is this like our bed then, yeah? Can I get
Yep.
in it? Will it
Oh,
like...
I found the
Here we
dungeon.
go. Oh, which stuff?
Perfect.
Yeah, we're just in it now. Watch the gravel.
Gravel, 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 gravel. Wood.
Very nice.
Shit, it's on fire. Sorry.
This is all good.
The other way, the loser. That was perfect. We're in the dungeon. Perfect.
We're like straight in there.
They could have gone in there. It's like fucking random. My god. Shit, it. It's
Anything
got
you?
curacao on board. That's just what you need.
Yeah,
Need
what
one.
is it? Creosote?
Curacao
Oh, fuck.
oil. You need loads of that.
Don't have enough of that.
Lapis.
Hang on, I'm gonna put a little chest up by the bed.
I've already done it.
Oh, you put a chest up there?
Yeah, I put mine on the left side.
It's really crap.
Okay, I'm coming up.
That's mine.
Well, you'll know what my chest is. It looks pimping. It's gold.
Oh god. I just got like standard ones. So. I hate Google Earth.
Ha.
Put the little Jenny up here as well. Don't put some coal in it. Let it.
Yeah, get it charged.
I need to fucking charge my jetpack.
Not to
Again.
charge, you need to fucking charge.
Well, yeah, because I was stuck in the middle of the ocean and I didn't have a fucking boat again, so I had to fly all the way over.
It took me to fly to the moon.
And, well, to be fair, I was holding shift as I was flying, which was the wrong button, so I wasn't going very fast.
Alright.
And I only realised, like, near the end of like,
Genius.
I know, I had a genius moment, those guys.
Don't know if we're in the right way or not.
Okay, well, why try to wait to in the cave? See what's in this shiznit.
Oh, did I lead the way then? I thought I was following you guys.
I'm not in the cave there. I'm at the top.
I'll come back down.
Building a little house. It's beautiful. Sit down at the coffee table, why not?
It's a bit of a meh dungeon.
Let's go find some shit in it.
Fair enough.
You put a waypoint.
Probably an idea. Sure.
Okay, put a little waypoint. Gear. What about you, Higgins?
I just found on this bit here.
We're doing. Cool. Oh, lava. I'm off on an adventure.
I'm with you. It's all good.
Did it. Did it. Oh, this is cool. Oh, I found some wooden eyes and a filled tin can.
Amazing.
It sounds tasty.
Yeah, it sounds great. This second.
Did someone just fart?
No, no, I just found lava and just went.
Hi, bud. Where's
Hi.
where the others guys?
They've gone this way, I think.
Where? Which way?
Ah, water! Run away! Run away!
It's quite open this bit.
Just exploring, see if you find it.
Go down.
Exactly, yeah.
We're exploring, guys. Just put away.
There is another bit. It's weird if you look on the mini-map. It's
I
like a
hate
little
being
bit
by
of
myself
dungeon.
down here.
Oh, you
Seriously, like.
Where's the, like the ocean behind us? Okay, I'm coming. The lava.
Found someone. Bud.
Hi!
Unknown dimlet. Got lots of unknown.
Yeah,
dimlets.
get them because I think you'll use them in the future. You need them to research biomes if you want to do that.
Uh-oh.
Okay.
You need like power for it, but I think it'd be your cup of tea.
Super just like fucks off.
Cute.
Just put a waypoint,
It's
there we
really
go.
cool. You can do stuff like scan everything in a biome as well. So you like look for stuff.
Ah. Have you guys find anything interesting yet?
It's like meh. It's like dungeon in
But
the
if you
world.
look around, you can see all the lavas and all the tunnels. There's more this way, I think.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Oh,
Straight towards the lava. I love it.
What could possibly go
wrong?
Come this way.
Okay.
Okay.
I need a
hell's
buddy.
this?
I need a
Oh,
dungeon buddy.
fuck.
For fuck's sake.
What's abyssal stone?
Mm.
Oh, it's the ocean. Oh,
We've
shit.
got it now.
Let's not go this way. Let's dig
Go
down a
straight
bit
towards the
more.
lava. What could go wrong? Oh wait, I think happened.
Oop.
Ah,
shit.
they on this.
So good. I thought it was the lava, and it's like, oh.
I like
Ow,
how we
ah.
stood
Oh,
by.
bud.
Ah,
You just
shit!
flooded me. You just fucking
Fuck.
flooded me.
I
Oh
broke-
god.
I broke
You are
the game.
the worst fucking dungeon buddy ever.
Like literally just collapsed
Oh,
the
mate.
entire fucking roof. Shit.
How? I haven't anything to put up there.
Smooth.
Oh, I have.
Yeah, you can warn when you make a huge fucking hole.
Not the drip. Like,
Did you get bored? Just leave it there, see what happens. It's all lava around
Oh
here.
my god. I cannot fill that in.
Where are you guys?
God, for fuck's sake! Like the whole fucking room.
What have you guys done?
He decided to collapse the roof.
I got some iron and the entire roof
I
just
found
fell
lava
in.
eggs.
Because it was all fucking gravel.
Yeah, I mean we're at a good level for diamonds, but potluck. I guess I'll dig to the right.
Is this
You right?
Oh, ow, ow, ow.
It's coming.
Well,
I know it's. I know we'll just stop it. Wood.
God, I'm burning. I'm still burning.
Yeah, dude. I don't. I've got your grave stage. It's all good.
My bed was missing or obstructed.
Oh shit.
Fuck.
I'm coming back.
The bed's fucked.
You guys might want to get in the bed. Pro tip.
Wait, is our bed still moving?
Yeah, I'd go
Oh,
up and
shit.
move it.
Yeah, dude.
I'm coming back. Don't worry.
Ow.
I've got 2 boats.
I've got 2
I'm just
boots.
gonna boat over. It's okay.
It's quite far, isn't it?
I'm taking the direct route. It'll be fine.
Cool.
I
Found 6 diamonds. Whoop.
6
Yeah,
now.
too bad. You are the shittiest dungeon, buddy.
I think.
I fucking lost you. Now I'm stuck.
Where are you? Oh, hang on.
Don't worry, it's
I
fine. I'm going to move my bed, so you just like to flood the caves.
Yep.
Have
my
you
favourite
found them
game.
yet?
Right, I've got your grave waypointed as well.
Okay, cool.
Oh, it's death
Sorry,
point
I'm
one for
coming
you, but it's all
I would
good.
find where they've gone.
Well,
It
this
sounds
is
like they're
really like worked out as good adventure so far. Everyone's not even together.
I'm dead.
You're dead, yeah.
You were drowning in gravel and I was like, I found diamonds.
Yeah.
Pro trip. Pro trip so far. Pro trip so far. It's alright, I'm on my way.
There's no need to cover up this thing anyway, so she could have just followed.
Yeah, well then I lost you and then I got confused.
Oh, hang on. Blame bod.
That's right, I'm running along eating plums at the moment. I'm eating nature as I go.
Where have you even gone, Tish? Oh, you're up there. Okay.
Yeah, I'm coming back down. I just moved my bed in case you decided to collapse the roof there, you know. Could happen.
I can't even find the entrance.
I see you. No, you're. I think you're on the roof. You need to come up.
Okay.
You guys escaping them?
I just want to make sure my bed is okay.
What could possibly go wrong?
Can't abandon Yellen's grave.
So you can leave it, I'll come back and get it. What's the worst now?
No, it's okay.
Oh, spider tree. It's probably not the best thing to run past when you've only got nothing.
Mm.
Fuck it, go!
Might
Oh, it's
dig
good
up
vibes.
from here though.
You're like so close to me.
I think you're 1 level up.
Yeah.
Let's see.
You can do it.
Moral support from Toes. Can do it, bud. I
Good dungeon
believe in
buddies.
you.
We gotta be supportive to one another.
Okay. Except for when I collapse the roof.
Yeah, that's probably 1 or 2 exceptions.
Do,
Oh,
do,
where the
do,
fuck
do.
you go?
Higgs, have you found them yet?
Diamonds.
Ah, I found the entrance. Woo!
No, I'm digging up from your grave so you can just go straight down.
Oh no.
I'm sure it'll work out fine.
Oh, like, let it shut. Blam. Dead.
Have time for this shit. Oh, it's the ocean.
Ah, okay.
I'm sailing in my last boat.
Where are you staying? Oh. Are you from home? Or...
Yeah.
Shit.
Sorry, I'm nearly there. Only 1800 meters to go. Boating
Aye, aye.
along. It's a beautiful day though. Beautiful day to be on the ocean. Playing with my poop deck. Isn't that what sailors do, bud?
I think you asked Bod.
Bod's an expert.
I am, yeah. I know all about the poop deck.
Indeed.
And the
what?
semen.
Semen on the poop deck.
So funny, I just did the most unusual laugh.
Loves.
Don't even understand.
1400. Getting closer.
So close.
Well, that was a good start to our adventure.
You guys have...
Good start.
Yeah.
You not found anything in there? There must be something in there. There's track and all sorts.
I mean track, but...
Yeah, but I get lost easy and everyone pisses off and then... Or they collapse roofs and...
We must be support towards each other.
Charge up your jetpack again, Bod.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did mine as well.
We can't all have the jetpack skills.
Oh, come round.
What the hell was that?
Bod.
An arrow.
Taking out his frustration on me.
Sorry. Made a lovely noise though. Ow.
I'm here with the diamond sword again.
Guys, do you see each other? Oh, Bod, why are you not wearing armour? You're just wearing your engineer overalls. And no shoes.
This is how I roll.
Oh my god, you're such a hillbilly.
Yep.
Redneck hillbilly. Whoa, fuck!
Bod,
Fucking
please
hell,
chill.
Oh my
What are you
god.
doing?
Guys, please. Please,
Oh my
mate.
god. Sounds so safe.
Diamond sword thinks he owns the place.
Such a troll.
Yeah.
Every time he hit me, he takes off like 6 hearts.
Good.
It's pretty beastie.
Remember that time when you killed me in that explosion?
Look
Yeah.
at these holes down here.
And I said I'd get you back.
But yeah, but just hitting someone with a sword is just scrubby.
Ah, I found out what Soulbound does.
Hmm?
Do.
It means you keep your stuff with you.
Ah.
That thing with you when you die. That means.
Oh
Go for
shit,
it, bitch.
I'm gonna drown. Shit.
You're gonna drown.
Something abysmal. Yeah, I was looking at these weird holes down here.
Look at him running away. Then he gets his bow and arrow out.
It's like, see you later, bitch. You unobstructed the bed, by the way.
Yeah, I don't know how it was obstructed before.
I don't know either.
Peekaboo.
Jeez, please.
That's what I thought. Okay, we should do a truce now. Seriously, Bod.
Please. Will you stop hitting me?
You started it, Bod.
I think you started it when you blew up the bed.
You need some skill with, you know.
Boys,
And then killed my cows.
Yeah, but
And
that
chicken
wasn't hitting you
poultry
with the
at the
sword,
same
was it?
time.
Just find a
It
new
hurt
way
my
to take out your
emotions.
frustrations.
It drained emotions.
So emotional.
You think you can get away with anything, James?
Next time you attack me, it will be the end.
For you.
Super cereal. super cereal. Casually, like, walking along, bashing like mushrooms on the way, just munching them. Got 3 hunger bars at the moment. It's like, oh, a bit of food. Nom, nom, nom.
That's the line, okay, Bod, right, where the sky stone is. You can't cross that. That's your island. The rest of this is mine.
Okay. Okay.
Do not cross.
Wow. Are we in like the cowboy days? Old westerns?
You're friendly.
So hang on, I can't go past here, yeah?
Yeah,
So if I was to go over here,
you'd be declaring war.
alright.
Declaring war.
Bod, please. Get the fuck off my island.
I love this. I love this tree. Oi!
Guys,
Get off my
don't hit
island,
each other,
please. He's on my island.
Yeah, well, peace negotiations, come on.
Get the
Tom will hit
fuck
them
away.
dead. Fuck.
The lies.
I've got 3 hearts.
I didn't know you even
No,
had
that's
one.
'cause-
What?
How's that
This is
jetpack,
what your
boss?
defense.
Me and FedEx?
Defense.
Oh, defense, okay.
Mm.
I'm nearly
I need
there.
switch
Now you
something.
come crying to Twishy. after nearly murdering her.
Twish is on my island. Excuse me. That was you.
Twishy, think about it. Like, you could get the diamonds. Just call a mutiny.
Remember that time?
End
when he
this
said to
dictatorship.
you, here's a bed in the nether, and then the bed exploded? That's the kind of man.
Yeah, but
that.
Twish had a sense of humour though. You were just like, "Boo, boo, boo." And Tish had to go like 10 foot to get her stuff back. And so did you, you were like 200 meters away.
Do 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 do. Almost there.
Are you coming back for round 2 now, bud?
Oh, I'm just gonna munch this chicken.
Trish, come over to this side, it's better. We have a zombie over here.
I'll come down. Okay, I'll come and have a look.
This is Bod's Island I'm on.
Yeah.
God, I made
Hi.
Are you back, Adam?
came a long
Go on to
way.
my island.
I
It's
made a
better.
I
You,
need to
you're
go
wearing
grab my
no
shit.
clothes.
First thing, get into
Naked as fuck.
I know, I got nothing. I need to go rescue my shit.
Oh, do you want me to come with you, yeah? I know exactly where it is.
So
It's- The ocean's kind of in the way.
I'm going.
Well, stop
I'm going straight
inciting
down into it.
discontent.
Oh my goodness me.
I'm going straight for it.
Yeah, no,
Again.
you go back in the dungeon. You can go straight down from here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I dug straight up.
I've got a problem. I can't even get out. Hang on, let
Fucking
me get the
screw.
gravel. I got no tools, and there's like one step missing.
Okay,
There we
so
go. There we get back out.
go at the entrance, yeah.
Doop 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 doop.
Still attacking me. Bod, please. I'm trying to get Yadin's
Bod.
stuff back.
Guys, stop it.
Learn to troll.
Or I'll kill you both.
Oh, now it's super serial, I see.
We're getting his stuff back, and Bod's like sneaking around attacking.
Guys, stop it or I'll seriously fucking kill you both.
Whereabouts do I go down?
Kill the dictator. Yeah, keep going, keep going.
Is it near the?
It's right on
No,
the
no,
death
no,
point.
perhaps the building.
I see the hole. Cool.
Yeah, I
I
mean,
just
you
float
might
down.
drown, but... I'll fill it in behind you.
It'll be fine.
What's the good round?
Just go straight down. And I'll
I'm
block it
blinking.
off. I'll block it off as soon as you
Come
go, go down. Gotta believe. Okay, let's do this, guys. Straight down.
I'm gonna drown. I'm so gonna
Okay, I'll block it off when we go.
Don't fucking die again.
Oh my
Right, I blocked it off, so
Ah.
it should be fine.
It's not working.
Um,
I'm okay.
right, you should be able to get your stuff. Shout if the thingy's there.
Oh my god, that's funny. Where am I? Where's my death? I was behind this wood.
Was that you?
No.
Oh my grave.
Who the fuck hit me?
The squid, mate.
Yay! My shit back again.
Did you get all of it, yeah?
Yeah, the squid.
Yeah.
It wasn't me. It was,
Uh.
didn't hear. Maybe you drowned or something. You take damage.
Do believe a word you say.
Mm.
It's fine when you hit me, and the minute I hit you back, you just... Bud, please, super serious, we're gonna get you in stuff.
But Bod's thinking of his next troll attempt. He's gonna hit me with the sword again.
You guys are such bullies for each other.
I'm gonna find some outlet for his creativity. Otherwise he's a talentless dweeb.
So harsh.
He made me this way. He's moulded and shaped me into this hideous and twisted human being.
I'm coming out.
Do you have any obsidian? Does anyone have any obsidian on them?
No.
Yeah, it's just getting back might be easier if we can make a portal.
That wasn't so bad.
Was it not that long? Cool.
That's not so bad. See you guys in the mine again. Tush Pod.
I don't really like that mine.
Charge my jetpack. Oh, great.
Do you need coal for it? Yeah, boys. You have to be right on
Why are
it.
you going all wobbly?
That's very crappy.
You have to be right on it for it to work. It's beautiful. So creepy.
Oh,
Press F5 a
pick
couple
it
of
up.
times. I pick it up and bod. Put it back down.
I can just see the inside
Ah,
of the
what the fuck
fucking
are you doing?
donut.
Press F5.
Oh my god. That hat on and those eyes. What is it you're wearing?
Chainmail.
Chainmail hat. Looks Susan.
God.
Hey! Look at Jilly.
I feel like I'm
Someone's
bouncing
jetpack's
the
done.
F5.
Mine. Give it to me, bitch.
Where? Not with that attitude.
Where is it? It's mine.
Say please.
This?
Okay.
Oh.
Right on the jittery end.
I've just pressed
Googly
F5
eyed
to look at myself. I look ridiculous.
I like Lyland.
Oh god, Bud. You look so stupid. Oh god. That's
Done.
freaky as fuck.
It looks like you're taking a shit on the mushroom. I would have done mushroom.
Chicken with us.
Mushroom.
Oh, who picked it up?
I
Oh,
don't know.
he hadn't got it.
But there you
Oh,
go.
no.
Every time you get the mine. Ooh, this mine is drippy. Does it actually start to kill you if you sit in there too long?
No.
Oh man, it's so drippy. Is it getting dark? Or is it me?
Don't know.
Did you charge? Are we ready to go mining again? I won't die this time in lava.
So everyone charged up the stuff.
Yeah, that'll be enough.
Should be fine.
You ready, Trish?
Yeah, 1 second.
One.
No, know what I mean.
Captain Obvious.
Right then, guys, just...
Let's do this.
Back in a second.
Oh, God.
Are you serious, bud?
Classic bot.
Yes, I would like a glass of water, please.
Fuck you. Lol. Just a meme.
Nice shot.
Fucking beast. Ready for battle.
No.
It's in
Little
your head.
shit.
It's in your head. Look.
It's in your head.
Press E. Press E and have a look.
Bod hole
Have a look,
scotches.
bud.
I love it.
I got an arrow in it. Looks cool.
I
Press
think I
the
just need to heal up.
Done. You ready, guys?
Don't look
Yeah,
at me
I'm
like that,
ready.
James.
Cool.
Don't
Let's
you
go.
fucking dare.
Let's go, guys.
Mine.
Why have you got like weird stuff coming off you?
Off me.
Oh, whoa, what did I just walk over?
Oh, the mushroom.
Put it right in the door.
Proper screws you.
Fuck.
I thought it'd be cool.
I love it.
I was like, whoa.
It's so good.
I'm drunk, man.
Let's go, guys.
So that strange feeling when you've taken something and then it doesn't take effect and then you're randomly doing something and then suddenly, oh shit.
I don't do drugs.
Oh,
Paracetamol.
okay. Sorry.
Paracetamol.
That is a drug.
It's not a
You're
drug.
okay.
That is a drug.
Calpol. That was amazing.
I think up there.
I used to love Calpol.
And they made the nasty Calpol though. It was like
I like
purple or
Tixie
something.
Licks better.
Oh,
Fuck is Tixie Licks?
That was my thing. Everyone thought who knew
The
Kill
hell is Tixie Licks?
Do you not
Poo.
Oh my god.
Going through the wall.
It's for like
Fairies.
throat and cough stuff. Isn't it?
Oh, like strepsils.
No, it was like a medicine.
Slowly
Podsmith.
moving away.
This is
You
where
put the ocean here.
Oh, oh wait. Is this the ocean that
That's
you're talking
exactly what.
It's properly open.
about? He fucked it up, man.
Is there any way out?
There
of here?
was a roof here at one point.
Oh my god, Bod.
I just kept going straight because it's yeah.
I don't think there's anything. This way's a dead end, we have to go back through the ocean.
Oh, fuck.
Happy days.
Whee! It's a dead end. Oh no.
Okay.
No!
Get out of my way, Bod. Get out of my
Thank
way.
you guys. Hmm.
What the fuck is that? Dark lazuli ore.
I want it.
Rocket!
Guys, chill. Seriously.
Oh, fuck! Fuck off.
God, please. So,
The grave on the
I got hit, so I just tried to hit Twishy. Oh, Twishy
Your
him.
home bed was missing or obstructed.
Oh wow, that's priceless.
Such a-
Fuck off. Was that really necessary?
Yeah.
Sorry. Okay. Hey, under the water in a water cavern. No loser.
Wait, you can breathe in there. So cool.
Welcome to my secret base.
That's
Do
nice.
you know why it's like this?
That is
But-
pretty cool.
And it goes.
Oh, hold on, hang on. Oh,
Block it, block it, block it.
Guys, what are you doing?
Starting to sink.
What have you done to my basings? You
I made it worse. Fuck's sake.
What have you done?
Tried to get rid of it and then it made it
Like that.
huge.
Hang on, now.
Guys, don't die, please. Fucking hell.
It made it even worse.
Done to my
You made
base.
it bigger.
What?
Oh,
That was even bigger.
Oh my god, I can see from the air.
Could you imagine us in a survival situation? Just bashing random shit.
hang on. I can fix this. Oh,
Oh no, I'm on fire.
get out of my way.
Bless.
I'm on a mission.
Ooh, I'm tripping balls.
Wait,
You
you back.
this room?
Yeah, no. I just
Oh,
found
mushroom.
a mushroom. Ah! Shit! Oh!
God! Like a zombie. GG bud.
Excuse me.
Were you like nearly home? So.
What a wonderful
Oh,
time to be
back here.
alive.
Yeah, nearly.
Oh god.
What? the-
BRB. Oh, that's awful.
There we go. That'll do.
That'll do, pig.
Now let's not try and fix it anymore. No more things.
Are you okay if I take a bit of food from your thing?
Yeah, it's fine.
Not
No
the
problem
chicken.
Not the chicken.
Damn it, I was gonna get out of your way.
Stop. He always gets set fire by me.
Take a shit.
Oh my god, I'm gonna drown, guys. It's good, it's good, I'm good.
Where are you?
I'm just,
In our own hole.
exploring the holes.
Oh no.
I'm in my own personal hole, yeah.
Oh. Bollocks. I bet leaky in.
No, I got you. I don't have anything to block out with actually.
I don't think there's anything more down here. Did you go find another hole?
Let's do it.
Yes, a few, I think.
Moving to the next one. Oh, there's a torch in this one. Is this yours,
That's
torch?
a Swish's hole.
There's torches, I've been in them.
Hey! There's a
Bush in here. What a scrub.
What am I missing?
Learn to swim, mate.
Nothing.
Oh, he
Cheeky
died.
swim.
Oh, he died of natural causes.
Are we ready?
Yeah, I think it's time to collect all our shit together and head on home.
We don't have enough room to take it all back, you know.
Totes can.